अब फैमिली मेम्बर्स से नहीं कई लोगों को लॉन्च किया, लेकिन कंगना ने कहा कि वो बायर्स है, नेपोटिज्म कहा, काफ़ी कुछ कहा। आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे करण, क्योंकि आप पर्सनली बचपन की दोस्त हैं।
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Well, as I was getting ready to come here, for the first time, I began to empathize with men and their performance anxiety issues, because it was my hair that was refusing to rise to the occasion. Well, luckily, I didn't have to swallow a little blue pill, and I just had the folks at L'Oreal whisk their magic wand around me, and here I am. I'm deeply honored to be L'Oreal Professionnel's first Indian brand ambassador.
जाए तो सबसे अच्छे बाल आपकी मदर डिम्पल जी के हैं, तो उन्होंने आपको क्या टिप्स दी हमेशा से, बचपन से, किस तरह से आपके बालों को उन्होंने केयर किया, नरिश किया?
She could actually write a book on that. She has a PhD. She really takes a lot of care of, with her mane. But more than anything else, she does have the best hair. And I told L'Oreal Professionnel, why don't you hire her instead? So.
आपने अभी टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया में संडे को एक कॉलम लिखा था जिसमें विमेन के साथ जो सेक्सुअल हैरेसमेंट होता है ऑफिसेज में, उसके बारे में बात की थी। क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे, अगर आप कुछ ऐड करना चाहें यहाँ पर?
That's a very nice question, but we'll take it offline if you want to. But unless Twinkle wants to answer that.
He's right. I think we should leave these hair-raising topics for another day and just stick to hair for now.
I wanted to know, from the 3 looks that have been created, which is your favorite look and which is the favorite color from the range that is launching today?
For me, the favorite look was, the short bob, because I actually want to cut my hair like that, and I think maybe in a couple of months I might, yeah.
इस टॉपिक से थोड़ा सा अलग है। करण के आप खास दोस्त हैं, और करण और कंगना में जो प्रॉब्लम्स चल रही थी, आप हमेशा अपनी राय रखती हैं, सपोर्ट करती हैं, तो इस बार क्या कहना चाहेंगी? करण ने अब फैमिली मेम्बर्स से नहीं कई लोगों को लॉन्च किया, लेकिन कंगना ने कहा कि वो बायर्स है, नेपोटिज्म कहा, काफ़ी कुछ कहा। आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे करण, क्योंकि आप पर्सनली बचपन की दोस्त हैं उनकी?
No, I have a lot of things to say, but that's a different platform. But since you brought this topic up, I think her bob looks a lot like mine, so I kind of like that. Yeah.
I think that's the perfect answer. All right, we'll take the final answer.
Twinkle, recently Meera Rajput made some comments about working women and raising their children without leaving their jobs. So would you like to comment something on that?
You have to ask me things about my hair. That's why I'm here. They'll throw me out of my job right now, okay?
मैम, किस तरीके से ये एसोसिएशन हुआ, जरा इसके बारे में बताएं, बातचीत कैसे शुरू हुई लॉरियल के साथ?
So I think I've been using L'Oreal Professionnel to color my hair for the longest time, and I think my loyalty paid off. 20 years loyalty, and so they decided to hire me.
एंड बचपन किस तरीके से गुजरा था आपका? आपने कई सितारों को पर्दे पे देखा होगा, उनके बालों को देखा होगा, कुछ मेमोरीज अगर आप शेयर कर सकें।
कुछ सितारों को क्यों, I had the best hair in my family. It runs in generations. So yeah, I think. But in today's time, I think it's even more important, because in the selfie-obsessed world, 90% of the selfies are hair now. So yeah, it's important.
Twinkle, when we're talking about hairstyles or when we're talking about looks, often we see India and in global platform that women who are glamorous are not taken seriously for their opinions. Case in point, Emma Watson, when she posed for a semi-nude photo shoot, she's a feminist, and women, including women, and people said that she shouldn't be called a feminist, and she shouldn't call herself a feminist because she posed like that. A person who's always opinionated like you, what do you have to say to something like that?
I don't think it has anything to do with what you wear or don't wear. I think it has to do about wanting equal opportunities for both men and women, and for women to kind of rise up as they've been at a disadvantage. I don't think it has anything to do with what you wear.
Twinkle, हमेशा women empowerment की बात होती है, जिस तरह से recently की आर्टिकल आपने लिखा है, जनरली नहीं मिलती है मीडिया से, इसीलिए हमने वो सवाल उठाया और आपका जो ओपिनियन है वो जानना चाहते हैं। जब कैमराज होते हैं तब आपका ओपिनियन जानना चाहते हैं। जिस तरह से आपने आर्टिकल लिखा मीरा राजपूत।
But those are not the topics. It's like I said exactly in my article, there's a place for everything, right? And this is not the place for that topic. So when you catch me somewhere else, then please ask
But
me.
do you think that sexual harassment at work is something which is neglected, something which is not talked about that much?
Well, the statistic says 38%. So there's your statistic right there. Okay.
Is it? Thank you. I'm
मैम
done.
थोड़ा पैडमैन के बारे में भी बता दीजिए क्या कहाँ
How
कितनी शूटिंग हुई
creatively involved are you with the
फिल्मी भी चीजें लिख
Yeah.
सकते
I
हैं
mean, you're a producer.
कितनी चीजें हो गई इंदौर में if you want to share just anything
No, so I've just come back after a week, and what can I say? It's going really well, and Mr. Muruganathan was also there, and I think it's a wonderful project. It's something that I feel will bring a lot of awareness to something which has so far been cloaked in shame, and I'm very happy to be part of it.
Thank you.